Here's a new and easy way for you to make up to $1,000 weekly as passive income. And I'm not talking about dropshipping or affiliate marketing or starting an agent. So what am I talking about? So what you're gonna do is head on to this website, runitforme.net. Click on this website section and then scroll down and click on all countries and read more. After that, you can find different countries listed here. And then on the side note, you can see there are under latest, you can see other countries listed like USA, India, Mexico, Argentina, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. These guys did an amazing work of putting together different specific projects for specific countries in which you can be paid weekly to train AI models like ChatGPT. And as you can see here, they have a project name, the earnings per hour, and the links to that specific project. So what you'll need to do is to find your country and find any project that is available and click on the link depending on the earnings that are available. The trick is that you are not going to do the work. You are going to let someone else to do the work for you, and you will split the earnings at a certain percentage. So in order to do that, go back to runitforme.net and click on the login button. Fill in your details and create your profile. After that, you will receive an email from them giving you the directions on the whole process. You can scale this up by having multiple different accounts and then let the guys from the platform work for you as you receive the earnings weekly. Thank you.